Okay, welcome today everyone to Helix Central, and it's courtesy of George Stevenson here at Upper Idaho Grounds. And my name is Stuart Hill, I'm Head of Technology and Innovation for Hutchinson's, and I'm going to explain what Helix is and what it means today. And Helix is essentially a standard whereby we are looking at new technologies, we are testing them on farm, we're proofing them, validating them, and actually developing them. So it's very much about focused on the technology, but also that three-way communication between the technology, the grower, and the agronomist. And of course, Omnia is at the centre of this. So we have to have a platform or a hub, and it's a precision farming hub, but also a farm agronomist hub, where you've got this data to actually look at the information and make decisions that are a benefit for your farm in a financial and environmental basis.
So one of the first things that we've been talking about is our brand new e-seed system, which is an electronic drive system that fits to your current drill, and it will turn it from a land wheel device into an all-singing, all-dancing variable rate drill. So we're able to use the e-seed kit here. We'll be installing it next week, ready for autumn drilling, so we'll be able to do variable rate drilling with his current drill. Also here we've been doing a lot of Terramap scanning. So Terramap is our high definition soil mapping system. What it is basically collecting 800 sample points per hectare, and we're able to turn that into 27 different layers of data. So your the known ones are being PK, Mg and pH, percentages of sand, silt and clay to get your soil texture, but our brand new service, which is our carbon mapping side of things. So the whole number of fields here so far have been mapped with carbon, and we'll be able to probably go through some of that in a lot more detail at coming meetings as well.
So we've been using Terramap, giving us our different layers. We can use those layers to make nutrient plans, we can use those layers and things like Google Earth photographs, knowledge of the farmer, NDVI mapping to put variable seed rate and nutrient rate maps together. We can also use the data from Terramap to pinpoint where we should carry out a gold soil sample, so that we can compare and contrast with the structural element of the soil that we can dig and have a look at to see if we've actually got a physical structural element at play, or whether it's a chemistry issue that we've got going on in the soil. So we can do all of that. We're using Terramap and our gold soil assessment, following on from our healthy soils assessment, looking at vest scores and worm counts. Once we've decided what we're trying to aim at within our soils, we can start to pick and choose the cover crops, the species and the mixtures that we might be able to use to influence that. So if we want to pump out water, which we don't here, we could focus on lots of brassicas. If we want to get good root structure to depth in the soil, we could go for this 9-way mixture here, which is our maxi cover. If we've got a high carbon nitrogen ratio because we've been putting lots of wheat straw back in, we can utilise something like our maxi N mix. Plus they look really pretty during the growing season, and everybody likes that when they're walking their dog around the farm.